In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play your Steam library on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to head over to our web browser, and you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for GeForce Now. Once you've done this, you want to click on the first link, which will look like this. However, I will leave this website linked in the description. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service where you connect to a Windows PC remotely in the cloud, and you can control it using your Mac as if you're playing it directly on your Mac. This is a good solution for playing Windows games that you cannot access on your Mac otherwise. The first thing we need to do here is to sign up for a GeForce Now account, as this will make setup a lot easier later on. To do this, you want to click on the Join Now button in the top right, and here you'll notice some membership tiers. However, the one we are interested in today is the free tier, but if you do like this service enough, you can upgrade to a priority or an ultimate tier. So for the time being, we are going to click on the Join button under the free tier, and then you want to go ahead and create your NVIDIA GeForce account by following the step-by-step process. Once you've signed up for your GeForce Now account, we need to go back to the home page we was at previously. From here, we need to download the GeForce Now app onto our Mac. To do this, you want to click on the download link here at the very top, and this will take you to the download page. Now it's going to prompt you to launch the GeForce Now app in your web browser, which you can do on other devices. However, I do recommend downloading the app to your Mac as it's going to be a lot more stable. To do this, we need to scroll down slightly to the platforms, and here you can get a little glimpse of all of the platforms you can play this on. However, we want Mac, so you want to click on the download button underneath Mac, and then we are going to download the installer to our desktop. Now we've got the installer downloaded to our Mac, you just want to go ahead and open it up, and then you want to drag and drop the GeForce Now logo into the applications folder, and this will install the GeForce Now app onto our Mac. Once we've done this, we can exit out of the installer and we can go ahead and delete it. Now the installer has been deleted, we just need to open the GeForce app, so we're going to open our Spotlight and we're going to type in GeForce. And then you want to go ahead and open the application. It's going to prompt you if you want to open this app from the internet, so we're going to click on open. And after a few seconds, the GeForce app will open and it will look like this. From here, we just need to click on the Get In button, and this will open your default web browser and it will prompt you to log into your GeForce Now account. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Once we've logged into our account, you now have access to the GeForce Now application, which will look like this. So to go ahead and play our Steam games, we need to link our Steam account to our GeForce Now account. So you want to click on Connect to your store accounts. And from here, it will give you a list of all of the different store accounts that you can connect to your GeForce Now account. In this case, we want Steam, so we're going to click on Connect. This will open our web browser again, but this time to the Steam website, where you want to go ahead and sign into your Steam account. Now we are signed into our Steam account, we can go back to the GeForce Now application, and as you can see, we have successfully connected our Steam account, and I've got 54 games synced. Bear in mind, not all Steam games are available on the GeForce Now application, but this constantly gets updated. So once we've done this, you want to click on the menu icon in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on Games. You can now browse your Steam games that you have currently purchased and have access to on GeForce Now. Once you are ready to play a game, you just want to hover over the game you want to play, and then click on the play button. This will connect to your network and it will do a server test, and it will put you in a queue for the next available gaming rig that's available. However, you can choose to upgrade to a paid tier if you want to have instant access to your games without going into a queue. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.